Shit crazy, man. I see it, man. And you see it too. The lights used to be bright, man. Gone. I don't even see that shit. You took away everything I held me. The only thing I fucking felt like I did right in this life. It's cool though. Yeah. Damn, man, she don't understand the pain. Man, she just wanna start over, but this shit ain't the game. Man, how she gon' quit before my sons know my name? See, yeah, I know I fucked up, but you know I changed. And this insane shit running through my brain. You talking to the next nigga and he look like a lame. Plus you brought the nigga around my kids and you're insane. You're my kid's mom, so I'm not gonna call you out your name. But it's a shame, the games you playing. You say, I can see them whenever, but it ain't the same. Cause I don't got a place to bring them to. Cause stupid girl, I live with you. Don't grant my sons, wish I never had them with you. I fucked up, I'ma tell the truth. See, I was out there fucking who, but none of them hoes are shit on you. I ain't mean to shit on you or hurt you. I even put my hands on you. I was drunk, but no excuse. Damn, I said I regret all that shit. I man up and took ownership for my mistakes. Yo, and to my sons, man, your mom was great. She was a good girl, forgave me for my mistakes. Yo, man, all the lying and cheating, hiding my cell phone, texting, deleting, getting smacked every day like it was a weekend. I call my sons, but I swear we barely be speaking. In my head, I'm wondering if they know that it's me, and I don't even get to see them or to teach them or kiss them. Swear to God, I miss them and do anything to be with them. Man, I wanna sit them down and let them know what's really going down. See, it's the reason why daddy ain't fucking around. I was a great father, but a shitty man. Had to learn to keep my dick in my pants. But I swear this is never part of my fucking plans. I hate I can't be where I wanna be. Cause it's not where I'm at, it's where I wanna be. I can't take this shit right in front of me. I swear I still see your mom saying she's done with me. Damn, I said that shit nearly destroyed me. Yo, but can't say she never want me. Talking to them other hoes, nigga, I was horny. But I ain't love them hoes. I barely kissed them, hugged them hoes. I sliced my neck cause the pain your mother knows. And that's when shit got deeper. I realized I had to keep her, and I couldn't keep her. So I filled the void. I was talking to Lisa, but she was just an intern. Meanwhile, your mom getting further like an inchworm. Feeling like she moved on, but I can never confirm. I was feeling so weak, man, I was trying to stay firm. That's when it got worse. I got locked up. She got a new lover, a significant other. I was so crushed, and that's word to my mother. Cause damn, man, cause I ain't think she would leave. But fuck the stupid shit, man, I just wanna see my seeds. Yo, man, I just wanna see my seeds. Damn. Shit crazy though, man. I love you, I don't know that. Wow.